Princess Cruises is one of the few cruise lines that still have self-serve laundry. Let's go take a look into the laundry room.
Some cruise lines, such as Princess, have washer and dryers that you can use yourself. There is available for purchase detergent and fabric softener, or you do what we did, and you just bring these like fabric or strips that you just throw in. They're super lightweight, super easy to use, and you can just use those with these machines. They also have stuff like ironing boards and irons for you to use as well. I will say that if you are trying to do laundry on a sea day, good luck. Do it on a port day. Start it early in the morning if you can. Set a timer on your phone. These are 40-minute wash, 40-minute dry, so make sure that you have it available for the next person. Don't hog the machines.
Purchasing tokens to use in the washer, dryer, or in the vending machine for the laundry soap is very easy to use. And you just use your medallion, so it charges to your stateroom. If you're interested in seeing a detailed video on how to use the laundry on Princess, check out this one here.